Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be cleaning the things that are my least favorite things to do, and also the things that I always forget to clean. So join me today. So if you're like me, you have certain tasks that you don't actually enjoy doing. Mine I'm going to be sharing with you today, and they actually start in the kitchen. I enjoy the kitchen stuff, but there's just one task that I literally can't stand, and that is cleaning the juicer. So this one I've just made celery juice and orange juice, and I just hate taking everything out and removing all this extra gunk and stuff. It literally frustrates me, and I don't know how to motivate myself to enjoy doing this task. So what I've discovered is now the moment I finish, I just have to empty it and start washing it, or else it's not going to get done. I have to convince my husband or bribe him to do it. But I hate doing it. So I'm just gonna take everything apart and put everything in the bin immediately. And yep, that's just how I've convinced myself to get it done. I'm just thinking about the juice that I'm gonna drink and all the good stuff to it. So I normally just use a paper towel, and I just scoop everything out, and I'll just scoop it into the bin if it's mixed with like other fruits. But if it's just celery, sometimes I just take out the celery that's left and I use it to cook whatever meal that I would be planning to cook on that day. But other than that, I normally mix them, so it's in the bin. I normally just put everything in hot soapy water and use a brush. I can't find the juicer brush, so I just use this brush for cleaning this. Okay, and that's everything done. So everything just now needs to be dried and assembled and put back into the cupboard. So on to the next thing that I forget to put. I literally forget to clean it all the time. Like I see it and that's the kettle. Like I look at it and I'm like, you are dirty, you need to clean. So this is what I'm going to be using, the sieve cleaner and the Minky scrubber. But there's something about the kettle that I look at it and it's like, I'm going to clean you today, but then I never do. So do you have a certain item around your house that is on your to-do list which you always forget to do? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to clean my wooden spoons. Immediately see the bubbles, so it means that it's working and all the grease and everything else is literally coming out, rising to the top. So now we go to the bathroom, where we're going to tackle my least favorite thing to do. So the plug hole, like whenever I clean the bathroom floor, the shower floor, I always forget to take out the plug hole and give that a clean. But then again, most days I'm in a rush and I always say, you know what, I'm gonna come back and do it again. I'm gonna do it again, and I never do. So yeah, look, it's not so bad, but it's still kind of gross.
Not too bad, but it's still gross. I take the flush.
So what else I've decided to do is create something called an admin day, where I catch up on all the tasks that I have been putting off, or I don't have enough time to do during the week. So today is the admin day, and I've decided I'm going to do the plug hole and everything that's involved. um, Life gets busy and I don't always have enough time to do it, so I literally enjoy having an admin day where I catch up on all the tasks that need to be done.
So this is what it looks like now. I think it looks a lot better than what it did at the start, including this. This is just the color peel. Again, the silver bits is just the color peel, but it looks a lot better than it did before.
Right, onto my favorite product, the pink stuff, and I also use this in the bathroom. So we live in a really hard water area, and I hate it when my shower doors look very cloudy. So I use it on the shower doors. Please don't judge my outfit. I just needed to get it done, but yeah, I use the pink stuff on the shower doors, and it works really, really well. It rinses off really well, really quickly as well. So I do this quite quickly, but because I was already in the shower, I just thought might as well do the shower screen. So onto hairbrushes. So I always forget to clean my hairbrush. Again, it's like I'm gonna do it, and then something else comes up. So on my admin day today, I am cleaning my hairbrushes. It's not, well, actually it is bad from this angle. This one as well, especially this one, you know, because I use this to lay my edges. So if you have not cleaned your hairbrushes in a long time, this is your kind reminder. Go get your hairbrushes and let's clean them together, because if you're gonna do it another day, you're never gonna get it done. I normally use Johnson & Johnson's Baby shampoo. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it in there for a few minutes. I'm going to quickly add a bit more on this one. Actually, no. This one can just brush out like this. So all the hair, I'm not going to show you because it's gross, but yeah. Okay, so this is what the water looks like. A lot better now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave them out to dry near the window, and yep, that's that job done. And I just leave them to air dry. Now onto makeup brushes. Like, I always forget to get my makeup brushes cleaned. It's like the biggest chore, maybe, because sometimes I'm in a rush and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna clean them, and then I later on discover I have to go out, so I have to put my makeup on. So actually setting time to get my makeup brushes done is like, you know, so that's why I really created this thing called the admin day, where I do the tasks that I have been forgetting to do that are very, very important. And yeah, so today I did the brushes, the hair brushes, and I'm doing the makeup brush as well. So if you're enjoying this content, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below how often you get to clean your makeup brushes and your hair brushes. And if you are actually genuinely enjoying the motivation, let me know in the comment section below. I try to make my videos, you know, to cater to everyone who needs the motivation and just a reminder to do certain things that we always forget to do. So if you really do enjoy my videos and you enjoy the content, please let me know. Let me know what else you'd like to see. I just like to give motivation and support to everyone who needs it. Just even the little friendly reminders, like to get your makeup brushes cleaned. I enjoy doing that. So if you really enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, join the community, join the family, where I just remind and motivate you to get things done. Please look forward to more videos where we're going to be doing spring cleaning, but if you can't wait till then, click on the next video that's going to be showing right here. So I will see you guys on the next video, and you have a lovely day. Bye.